talk about what we got, or?
So we went to the food court at the hotel, and we literally got so much stuff. Well, we got like a variety. So we got these churro donut holes from this taco place. Mom got some like cauliflower thingy from this taco place. We got a salad from the salad bar. We got some pizza from, how do you say that? Sabaro. I got this buffalo chicken pizza.
You show your mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese from this pizza place. And they should put little like breadcrumbs on it. Wait, we need the forks and stuff. Okay,
right here.
I got a coney dog.
Ooh, and that's spicy with that cauliflower.
Spicy. What kind of salad did you get, Thai?
Thai chicken salad. Want me to some Thai chicken salad?
Ooh.
Yeah.
My coney dog. I got ketchup for my coney dog.
Coney dog.
Let's get skin. See that? We got some soup for Mom.
No, this one's really, really good.
I need a fork. Okay.
Oh, you just want me to put it in your mouth?
Okay. Bobby, why does Mom have to feed you?
He's a baby.
Thanks.
Let's watch Bravo.
No, Mom, we can't watch TV while filming a mukbang. You have to have your full attention here.
Okay.
And I told people to ask us questions for a mukbang.
Okay. There's no problem in the background.
Mom,
In the background.
you're not gonna be able to hear us, but
And Bobby's checking.
I won't turn it off.
okay. But you have to pay full attention to the
I
mukbang.
won't.
Mom's a terrible filming partner, guys. This mac and cheese is so freaking good.
Is it good? It looks good. That's why I was like, you should get that.
I really love. Favorite videos to film are mukbangs because I
Want to do
literally
another bite?
have to do nothing. Mom, you are literally doing terrible in this mukbang.
I want the bite of mac and cheese.
Bobby,
Oh.
I'm eating it. What are you doing?
You guys have to be in it.
Yeah. Sit down and talk.
It's so good.
No, I'm eating that.
Can I give him one bite or
No, I'm eating it. Fine, one bite. Hurry, I want it.
Come on, you.
Well, hurry. Not like all of it.
Is it good?
I'm just freaking eating that.
Just get over, relax. You're in my way.
Literally, just step over. I have to scoot back so I'm in the video.
You have to be in the video?
Well, I mean, it's my channel, but like, you know, I don't have to, I guess.
I feel like you're asking a lot.
No, I'm literally not.
Oh wait, move my purse. I don't want anything on it.
Have you gotten any like college letters in the mail?
No. Have you
Everyone's getting them. But
Oh, I did get one from like University of Kentucky.
yeah, like everyone's getting them because we signed up from last year. So I was just making sure. I was like, am I that
No,
terrible?
they said
don't
you
want
weren't the type of kid they wanted.
They don't want us diabetics. I want to try this pizza.
Well, considering you bought it, you should.
I never.
Well, you wanted it.
I don't really like the onions on it. I'm gonna take those off. I have like an itch, but I can't get it. What are you eating now?
I don't know what the hell that is.
How did I drop a fork?
Oh, the ginseng.
Mom, you dropped a fork.
No.
I've only had one fork, which is my mac and cheese fork.
Like I said, I feel like less talk, more eating.
Okay. Yeah, it's just like us eating noises. That's what it is in the video. What's your favorite thing that you got?
So far, the Thai salad is really good. Actually, this cauliflower is amazing. Fake news. BuzzFeed.
BuzzFeed fake news.
And that was pineapple.
I don't like pineapple.
I don't like the look on your face.
This is so good. I wish I could eat it.
I bet.
I want something else. Those are still my beef.
Well, your chili dog.
It's gonna be messy as heck. I've got ketchup but I don't think I'm gonna put ketchup on it.
I'm not sure why you would put ketchup on a chili dog, but
Well, I was just thinking hot dog and I like my ketchup.
actually I thought he saw him put mustard on it too.
Oh, he didn't.
I thought I saw.
Nuh-uh. I don't taste mustard. Why would you put mustard on a coney dog? How would you eat soup with a chopstick?
I just pulled the veggies out. You want bread?
No.
You want to try your donut hole?
I'm so no.
Is there more food to put in my mouth?
No.
You want the salad? What do you want, mac and cheese?
No. That's mine. Give him the bread. Oh my god, I want that. Give me mac and cheese. That was my favorite. I'm trying my churro donut holes.
You still have pizza, dude.
Dude, the mac and cheese is my favorite.
Dude, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you.
Do it. This is like food porn.
I found this property on the MLS under over a year. It's had multiple
Okay.
price
Look at
reductions.
that.
I took it upon myself to reach out to the owners and see what's up. Jocelyn was the original agent, but I knew that all they really needed to sell this property was the ultimate touch. Come on. All right, well, let's talk it through. Maybe there's an opportunity to work together. We've now got
I don't like the chocolate sauce.
work in the house, right?
You don't like the chocolate sauce?
10,000 square feet.
I'm just trying.
The view is insane.
And that's on city property there, so no one can build. This was perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
We got some questions.
I was thinking of changing
From
it
Rima.
around a little bit, but you know what? It's so comfortable for them, and it gives me a peace of mind.
Wow, and you really do have views from every single room.
Okay, Caitlin asked what's the longest time we've spent apart from each other?
Initially, we were gonna.
Like, how long have we spent apart from each other?
Yeah.
We decided to hold off.
16 years.
This house is amazing.
What?
But it has
9 months when I was in your stomach. Well, I guess we weren't apart.
I was gonna say you were in my stomach.
Which were
Um,
obviously done in the 90s.
I feel like when you went to Israel for like 2 weeks.
Probably 2 weeks.
Yeah, so 2 weeks we spent apart from each other.
That any remodeling that
Did you guys argue a lot, and if so, about what?
And it doesn't have a pool. And if
No, we
you're
don't really
not-
argue.
if you don't have a pool, you're not
We just
a
kind of like, you're not even in the frame.
Just like who's gonna wear the unicorn costume?
We got unicorn heads. But we haven't even, no, we got 2, so we're not gonna argue. No, we just kind of like bicker sometimes, like, if I don't really,
These are
if I don't,
nasty sometimes.
Mom, I am you. So you're nasty too. But when I didn't make it to the car in time, like we're on the street. So like mom picks me up from school and she doesn't like turn it into the parking lot because then it's like a bunch of like traffic. And so like sometimes I'll just like run to the street real quick while she's driving by. And I didn't make it there in time. And you like didn't talk to me for that whole night.
For like 2 hours, because you could have ran and you didn't, and it pissed me off.
I'm not gonna run in school.
I asked you to go, and you.
I hurried, I speed walked.
No, definitely didn't.
Honestly, I'm gonna start crying
Where's your favorite place you guys have traveled?
The house is
Israel.
cool.
Or Mykonos.
So I love how they sell it. I know they will.
Okay, Rima asked,
As far as the last
favorite thing about each other.
hiring house in the area where
You let me borrow your Louis Vuittons.
spend that money,
You're my kid?
because they can get something else for a lot less or what?
Aw,
Honestly, I think it's
thanks.
just the
Wait,
home itself.
is that good or bad?
It's not a normal flat land property.
Probably
And some
like,
people may not want that, but we still got.
I love, like,
your style.
Interest on the.
I was gonna say like our humor for each other, like
Yeah.
towards each other. I like our humor.
Not.
Cause we like laugh about the same exact stuff.
He didn't even want to look at them,
Okay.
you know.
Least favorite thing about each other.
You know, I
We're so
think
much
you guys
alike.
are realistic.
Yeah, we are really alike.
More realistic.
So we like,
And
it's either really good or really bad since we're so much alike.
You gotta come out fresh to the market.
We're either best friends or we hate each other.
And I know
Favorite memory with each other.
There's almost $2 million difference.
Oh, mom, we have 4 off right
And
now.
I don't think that's impressive. I think that's ridiculous.
Like a pimple.
Like, I have been eating like crazy. I'm not even like paying attention.
How do
Okay.
you justify that?
Favorite memory with each other.
I think it's an aggressive.
It's our travels.
where
Yeah, I think traveling for sure.
People are gonna take notice. And I think that's gonna.
I think California was a really fun time, or Vegas.
And I think that will probably sell.
And then Israel. It's kind of for you. Advice you would give to Alexis that you wish you were told when you were in high school
You haven't gotten into-
/ like around Alexis's age.
Don't show your titties.
You haven't seen all the 2Xs.
She already did it though.
Screw you! Oh my god. What the
good. It's true. I'm not lying.
Why do you expose me like that?
So you stop doing it.
$2 million price drop.
I think my rating of the food goes mac and cheese, churros, pizza, then coney dog. What's yours go? Like favorite to least favorite.
Salad. Cauliflower. Soup. That's what I have.
Is there more food to put in my mouth?
No. Here, I'll give you this pineapple. I'm not feeding it to you.
What is it?
Pineapple.
What?
I don't want to have that.
What is it?
Pineapple.
Well, it was the cauliflower. It's the cauliflower.
Oh.
You didn't ask for how much specific. You just said to put in your mouth. That's to put in your mouth.
Give him the rest of your mac and cheese.
I'm eating my mac and cheese, Mom.
So even when she grows up, she'll never outgrow the memory of our adventure.
I mean,
Unlock
that's
savings when you add select hotels to your existing trip. Only with Expedia.
Yes. Do you want a churro?
a what?
Churro?
What's a churro?
It's like a donut hole.
No.
It's a donut hole.
It's a donut churro. That's what they're called. That's what
It's
the...
a flavor. Dude,
What?
move. You're not gonna put me in such a nasty ass.
Okay, then take them my mac and cheese, even though I was eating it. That was really